Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to bypass the Google FRP of the BlackBerry Keyone. This one has the latest security patch, which is January 2018. And I did this to see if it was still possible to do a certain exploit that will bypass this. So what I've determined is that it is still possible. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So we're going to click on Vision Settings. We're going to enable Talkback.
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback.
We're going to go into the settings by making an L shape. I have to wait for the dismiss first. Make an L like that. And then we're going to go into Talkback settings. We have to double tap on it. Now we're going to suspend Talkback settings. So we're going to hold down volume up and down, which brings us this menu. Double tap on OK. And now we are going to scroll down to the bottom, tap on Help and Feedback, tap on Get Started with Voice Access, press the play button on the video, press the title to open the YouTube app. We're going to minimize and swipe away the video. We're going to tap on the top right icon. We're going to open the privacy policy option, which will open Chrome. And now we're going to download an APK called Quick Short Maker. So we're going to go to Google search and just type Quick Short Maker APK. Okay, and now we're going to use the link by APK Mirror. Now we swipe down to download APK. We're gonna have to allow Chrome to have access to storage. So click Allow, click OK. This will download. Now when you click Open, you'll need to enable an installation from unknown sources. So we're going to do that by going into Settings and toggling the option. Now we're going to go back and go to Downloads. So now we will install the APK. Press Open. And now we are going to type Setup. Now we see BlackBerry Setup Wizard. We're going to go into that. We're going to expand this. And we're going to scroll down to near the bottom so we can find something called something that ends with exit activity, which is right here, as you can see. This one over here, OOBEE exit activity. So we're going to tap that. And now tap try. Now this bypasses the setup wizard, which allows us to use the launcher to get into settings to perform a factory reset. So we're just gonna skip through this. We're gonna go into settings. Now before I do that, I will show you the version of Android I'm using, which is Nougat. security patch is January 5th, 2018. So this should work with all the other security patches before this. So now we're going to go to backup and reset, select factory data reset, and just erase everything. And now this is going to take a minute or two. So we're just going to fast forward this section over here after it's done erasing. Actually, we're just going to skip this section, so bear with me here. Okay, so we're finally done that part. Now, we're going to go through the setup again. And this time there will be no prompt for us to enter our previous Google account credentials. So I'm just going to log into my Wi-Fi here, and then we're going to see what happens. I couldn't log into my Wi-Fi, so I'll just use mobile network. That's fine. Okay, see, it doesn't ask for the previous Google account, so we can just click skip, and everything else is just straightforward, and you could start using your phone. And I think the easiest way to prevent this sort of exploit is to just disable the option to install from unknown sources if you want to fix this issue here. But for those who are looking for BlackBerry Keyones to repair on eBay or other places, then feel free and feel confident to just buy one of those devices and just perform this sort of exploit to bypass the security lock. And that's it.